Hello and welcome to another video where I'm going to show you how to write a Morse code encoder in Python. We have just done this video in C and now we're doing it in Python, so the link to the C version and the code will be in the description. But without further ado, let's get started. First thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create ourselves an array. So I'm going to call this message out and that will be empty. So then we're going to create ourselves a string and we're going to call this message in, and that will be equal to that. There we go. This is just an empty string. We are now going to use a dictionary. To save time, I have already written my Morse code dictionary. I was going to do it by hand. It's rather boring to watch, so I just thought, here we go. And if you want, the code will be in the description. You can just copy and paste it. So now we're going to take message in is equal to str brackets input open more brackets, and then say enter a sentence, and then we are going to do that. New line, we are going to say message in is equal to message in dot upper open and close on brackets, and the reason is because our dictionary is all uppercase, and instead of doing it twice, it's just easier to convert it. We're going to do a for loop, so for I in message in, we are then going to do a try statement, so try x is equal to, and then our array, and then position, so x is equal to code I. We forgot my colon there. So we will fix my indentation. Here we go. And now we need our accept statement. And we are just going to say x otherwise is equal to, let's say, a space. I mean, you could say x is equal to whatever you want. If we wanted it, we could include a punctuation. Morse code traditionally doesn't have punctuation, so we're going to replace it with a space. Then we're going to say message.out.append, and then we're going to append our variable x into here. So now I'm going to show you the way we're going to print it, but then I'm going to show you a little trick that makes it look cleaner. We could just print message out, and if we enter, take the most famous bit of Morse code ever, SOS, you see we print an array. That is not very nice nor tidy. There is a little trick we can do in Python. So if we do ourselves a empty speech marks, we can then do dot join, open up some more brackets, and then we can put message.out in there, save that, run it, enter a sentence, so SOS, and it will automatically join it. I dislike reading this, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, let's put ourselves a space there, and now if we try run it, SOS, we get a space. So I put a space between my speech marks in my print statement, and now we get a space between everything that's appended. And that just makes it nicer and easier to read. Use a slightly longer example, SOS, there is cake. You can see it automatically puts our slashes in. So with that, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. The code is in the description, the C version is in the description, and I will hope I see you again soon. See ya, bye.